Unlocking the meaning of Finish the Chapter, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a common phrase that often pops up in academic and personal development contexts. Finish the chapter. Understanding this phrase not only helps in literal scenarios but also enriches your English comprehension. So, let's unfold its meanings and uses together. When we hear, finish the chapter, the most straightforward interpretation is completing the reading or study of a specific chapter in a book. This could be a chapter from a novel, textbook, or any written work divided into sections. The emphasis here is on reaching the end of a designated portion of content, ensuring you've covered all the material presented in that section. Beyond textbooks and novels, finish the chapter can also have a figurative meaning. In life, this phrase might be used to signify concluding a phase or period in one's life or work. For example, finishing college, concluding a project at work, or ending a significant relationship. It implies a completion of one segment of experience, often before moving on to the next. To fully grasp the phrase's versatility, let's look at some examples. 1. Literal use. I can't go out tonight. I need to finish the chapter on molecular biology for tomorrow's class. 2. Figurative use. After years of working in this city, I feel it's time to finish the chapter here and start a new adventure elsewhere. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to various contexts, enhancing your expressive capability in English. Understanding and using phrases like finish the chapter does more than expand your vocabulary. It helps in setting goals, marking progress, and communicating achievements. Whether discussing your reading goals or life events, this phrase allows you to articulate completion and transitions effectively. Thank you for joining us as we explored the meaning and uses of finish the chapter. We hope this video has enriched your understanding and use of English in both literal and figurative contexts. Remember, each chapter you finish, in books or in life, brings new opportunities to learn and grow. Keep aiming to finish your chapters, and share your stories with us in the comments below. See you in our next video.